Washington. 3:45 a.m. on the 7th train. Made it to Times Square. Let's hope my bag's not open. What would it be like if I jumped right now? Trying to find the pickup spot. Can't find it anywhere though. Times Square, Times Square. Hard Rock. I'm not gonna lie, I might waste all my battery before we get to Washington, but fuck it. Cause this looks fire. Got the famous Raisin Cane. Hey, look. No, see the base too. Damn, I can't even see it, bro. Shit sucks. We made it on the bus. Oh shit. We made it on the bus. Chillin'. 2024. This nigga needs a fucking alignment.
Debe estar en New Jersey. 8 millones y medio de habitantes en la capital se llama Trenton. After you're exiting this tunnel, you're going to see a beautiful view of Manhattan on the right side. Nos sacamos del túnel, okay?
Gracias, Carlito.
No, con mucho gusto. I'm sorry, guys.
Gracias.
Debajo de sus asientos tienen enchufes. If you don't have outlets, I mean, if you have plugs, I can provide you guys with plugs. Si alguien no tiene enchufes, con mucho gusto tengo un par de enchufes por ahí.
Just woke up in Delaware. It's our bus. Yeah, I don't even want to come in this bitch no more. Is it bad that I want a fucking burger at 8 o'clock in the morning in Delaware? What time is it? 8 o'clock in the fucking morning, bro. Fish, not gonna lie. Julian put me onto these fucking gas. Dude. And I just fucking found out there was a Starbucks. So now I'm tight. I ain't go to Starbucks. But yeah. It tasted better when he put me on, but hey, man. Gotta head back on the bus. Might be out to Washington. The shoes.
Ejércitos en los Estados Unidos, Fuerza Aérea, Naval, Ejército, el cuarto son guardacostas, el quinto son Marines, el sexto es el Ejército del Espacio.
My mom.
The most respected force
Look at my mom over there.
are the Marines. Every time we have a war, the first guys who invade the country, the first who get killed, those are the Marines. The force who invade occupy the country, those are the army. So the most respected.
Bitch, get up my screen, bitch. Washington. Yeah.
Carillon is an organ made with bells. It was a gift from the Netherlands. Thank you, Netherlands.
You're welcome.
It's a gift from the Netherlands, United States, in the half of Second World War. La torre que tiene a la derecha es a la velocidad para que vean a la izquierda el cementerio de Arlington. So guys, again, more than 400,000 graves in 600 acres. And we are burying more or less, guys, average of 25 soldiers per week or 100 soldiers per month. Después vamos a la guerra de Corea. Les voy a decir dónde quedan los baños. Y van a tener por ahí unos 15 minutitos, 20 minutitos para que estén en el área. Esa es una opción. La otra opción es la nacional, que es la iglesia oficial de Washington, que tiene una denominación protestante que son episcopales. So guys, right now we are entering again the Potomac River. Estamos entrando en el río Potomac. Left side, guys, the white building on your left side, that is Kennedy Center. Behind Kennedy Center, probably one of the most famous hotels in the whole world, the Water. Alguien le hizo una costada a la tierra, le hizo una herida a la tierra, y esa herida es el muro negro que están viendo al fondo.
성우야, 나 정우야. 나 저랑 먹고 싶다.
Yo, this looks fire.
Next monument. Korea's in the house. Oh yeah. Muchachos, guys, how are you guys? So guys, our next monument is the building in front of you guys. Remember that building somewhere? Have you ever seen that building somewhere? Parthenon in Greece. It's like a copy of the Parthenon in Greece. The reason, guys,
아까 여기 들어간다
the
했잖아.
idea of democracy starts in Ukraine. So that's the reason that we copied the idea of the monument of the building of the Parthenon. But at the time Abraham Lincoln got killed, we only have 36 states.
Crazy. And a crazy view too. This is actually far though, I'm not gonna lie. Second time here. Alright, I haven't been inside in years, so it looks different a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like this wasn't here. I don't think so. Alright, we're getting there. Oh, I see it. Damn. Damn. No, that looks crazy. Oh, look at these columns. What? Oh, this looks good. Look how beautiful it is. And then look how beautiful this one is. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all probably gonna see different clips of this one. In this temple, as in the hearts of the people for whom he saved the Union, the memory of Abraham Lincoln is immersed forever. Crazy, bro.
So we're going to make a left turn over here. On the left side, probably going to see the most important building for American country called North. Next to the White House on the right side, you'll find a couple of buildings. That's the executive office of the White House. Those are the guys who work with the presidency in our presidency of muebles a mano derecha. Me refiero a los aparcamientos públicos de la Casa Blanca. Desde todos estos problemas de terrorismo, por supuesto, ya no nos dejan entrar. Cada vez cierran más el anillo de la Casa Blanca. So we have in the White House, we have our police department belong to the Secret Service. La Casa Blanca tiene su propio cuerpo policial que le pertenece al servicio de acción directa, visual, entre la Casa Blanca, el Poder Ejecutivo, y el Poder Legislativo, el Capitolio. So, Pennsylvania Avenue is the connection between the executive power and I'm referring to...
Where we at right now? Where we at? Only real ones know where we at right now. God damn. Let's see. I don't even know if I got a battery in this bitch, to be honest. My shit's drained right now. Here at the White House. This shit look beautiful, bro. Lovely.
Guys, stay in the shadow so you can... Like, I'm going to cook you anymore, guys.
I'm trying to get in there one day. I should did I sign up for that? White House. Beautiful. Where are we at right now? Where are we at right now?
Every single building nearby.
Crazy. Got the gardener and everything. Crazy. It is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie though. Are those kids in the freaking garden? Are those, I don't know if those are kids in the garden or like gardeners.
Thank you.
Museo es el Museo de Historia Natural. Belong to the institution Smithsonian Museums. Pertenece a la institución de museos Smithsonian. Smithson, a millionaire from the UK, after he died, he left his money to the United States with one condition: Pennsylvania. So guys, on your left side, that's the Ford Theater. Este edificio que tiene a la izquierda es el Teatro Ford. President shot him on your left side and then the president to the house in front on your right side. Presidente Abraham Lincoln lo asesinaron en el teatro de la izquierda, en el Teatro Ford, y lo pasaron a la calle al frente. Él falleció el siguiente día. Guys, our next building on the left side is the headquarters of the FBI. Este edificio que tienen a la izquierda son los cuarteles del FBI. Surrounding that building from 1855, you'll find
United States Mint, Independence Hall, bro. The amount of history here is crazy. Look at the fucking bell, bro. National Constitution Center. That's crazy, bro. You could barely see it. Well, that's the original bell. So on July 8th, that bell rang, and I think he said John Nixon walked out that door and read the the Declaration of Independence to all the rich people in the colony of Philadelphia, which is insane. The amount of fucking history here is crazy, bro. Same building too, same exact building, same windows, everything's the same, bro. That's insane, bro. Wow. And they got the original bell right over here. The original boat with the... Look at the original boat.
Usaram a fama
Crazy,
crescente
bro.
do
That one
selo
used to be right
para
up
ganhar apoio
there.
para diversas causas políticas.
Yeah. The Rocky statue, my boy. We made it. The Rocky statue. The steps where he was at was over there. So this is where Rocky was at. Oh, they want to be Rocky so bad. They want to be Rocky so. Oh, not. You want to be Rocky so bad. That's crazy. Oh, everybody want to be Rocky today, huh? Rocky. She wanna be a photographer so bad. She's not. Oh, no cambio. Heading home, heading home. Be back in a few. We made it. We made it back to drop-off station. You cannot see that at all.
So guys, again, don't forget your belongings. Por favor, damas y caballeros, no olviden sus artículos de mano. Esta es nuestra última parada.
Alright, bro, we made it. We made it out. So we back. We made it back to the city. About to head back home. Yo. Nah, that looks fine. Yo, we found some sort of show going on. They're dying of laughter. Look at that.